Yeah, this is the first time we attended the seminar, I mean conference. And from the very start, we arrived to the place. It's really, parang, I don't have the excitement because I don't know what's gonna happen during the conference because my first. And then, but when the session started, especially when the 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 sharing and the topic is about the slave and the obedience, which is really the hard part there is the obedience. And I'm really guilty with that because ever since when I was even in my childhood until now, I'm still not doing my part to be obedience to God. I still having some weaknesses. So the first topic that we got is slave was giving me the idea that we are all slave during the times, especially when we were still not in the ministry like this. We are all slave, especially in the worldliness, everything. And then sometimes, even though I have experienced during that time in my college days, I was a slave in worldliness, especially going to the bar, club, like that, and you know. But with God, we are slave, but there is God that is going to save us. And then from there, I realized that I've been a slave for so many years, so many times, and then, but I still didn't even recognize or realize myself that I'm a slave of that. But I still, you have the pride. I'm still having the pride of it. And then, yeah, it gives me a lesson that being a slave, there is always God that will give us the strength to know Him. And I know Him, but still, I'm still lacking of knowledge of what about Him. So, in that topic, I was same thing with Brother Gerald. I was hiding my tears while I'm listening to the topic, to the share. But when it comes, when the obedience thing comes, it is more worse that I realize that, oh Lord, I've been guilty for so many times. In fact, even I'm already in the Focus for Christ, I honestly say that I'm still not doing my part on His covenant. So it was really hard, but I think God will always help us on that part. So yeah, I just want to share those things that I always listening to Father Dave Concepcion in the YouTube.
Dave Concepcion.
Yeah, this is the thing that always this is the time that always touches me. That every time he says that life is short and death is certain, it's just like in click of your hands. You don't know what's the next day. If you're still gonna live, still gonna live. So and then one more thing that he always say that is we have the power to sleep, but we don't have the power to wake up. So that is always giving me the point that yeah, we like to sleep, but we don't have the power to wake up because it is God's grace. So I keep telling Rosie, and I share this to the group one time because it's really giving me a lot of attention that even though I'm already, especially now that God gave me the responsibility to be a household leader, but I'm still on the part of not doing my responsibility as a household leader. So I'm really guilty with that. So I said, oh God, but every time I always cry that Sister Rose is never know that. But I always try to ask God to strengthen me with this, especially the obedience. And then, yeah, during that conference, this is the first time, and then after the sharing and before the end of the conference, I realized that the 10 questions is how I'm going to deal with this 10 obedience I commit like that. And then I just gonna ask everybody, God to help me in this thing. So yeah.
Amen.
Amen.
Isang baksak!